Hello guys and welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I will tell you that how to create a Telegram channel. So before starting the video I want you guys to watch this video until the very end and kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all you need to open up Telegram application on your Android and iOS phone, and once you open up this application here, so in the next thing what you will do is you will tap on this pencil icon at the bottom right here. Okay, just tap on this one, and now at the top you can see three options. Okay, so you will tap on new channel here, and then you will name your channel. Okay, so I will just name it like funny videos, and if you want you can add a description, but this is optional, and you can basically add your profile image of your basically like this. And what we will do is we will use an emoji here, so I will just use an emoji for my channel, so just use this one and set channel photo here, and you can see now it's setting the channel photo here. And then you will tap on this tick option, and now you have to choose that whether you want to make your channel public or private. Public channels can be found in search, anyone can join them, and private channels can only be joined via invite link. So I will keep this channel public here, and then you have to make a link for your channel. Okay, so I will make this link funny vids 00. Now what is this link? This is the link that you will send to someone and they will join your group via this link. Okay, and you can also search, or someone can also search your channel through this link or through this name. Then you will tap on tick OK, and now if you want you can add persons here, then tap on this, and now you can see that our new channel has been created. So guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will see you in the next video.